Hey guys! In this tutorial we will create a mouse render. Prepare any product object. In my case it is a mouse. The link to it is in the description. Enjoy watching this tutorial. Create metaballs and more of them. Set up your product on scene. Choose the best placement. Don't forget about the camera. Convert the metaballs to mesh. I recommend using the decimate modifier to remove unnecessary geometry. The quality of the render should not change. Let's start by creating the background. Go to Setting Up World in the shader editor. Now let's create material for metaballs. Properly positioning light sources around objects is crucial for achieving the desired effect in this render. These sources emit white and purple tones, and play a significant role. That's it. I also use denoise during the compositing phase. You can see the node settings right now. This tutorial is not very long, but I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my videos.